Hello, today I would like to show you a new device that I've got on my desk. What this device is, this is a jumpstart, that's how many people are calling this device. This is basically a battery that is used to emergency start your car in case your internal battery discharge. For example, if you left your lights for the whole night, you wake up next day and you try to turn on your car and it doesn't work. So this is the device you can use. You can just pop out your hood, connect the two terminals, and you start your car from this device. And I'm very disappointed because this is made like a German company, so you would expect a German quality. And if you take a look at that point, you get that this device is 24 amp hour, and that's translate for 88 watt hour, and this device is 12 and 24 volt. So that is like they count single cells, which give you absolutely nothing. So that's like a stupid way to get away of showing a higher capacity to a customer, because they are in series and that's tell you nothing. So from China, I absolutely that will be fine, but from Germany, I'm disappointed. And I buy this because that was quite interesting device, and as I told you, that can be either be used as 12 volt or 24 depending on your car or truck installation. So I was wondering how they managed to achieve that, and here is the answer. So let's take a look together. On the bottom we've got our part that is taking care of charging. If you please focus, that will be very handy. Okay, so this is our DC input, and that was rated for 14 volts. Of course, if you are going to run this from a cigarette lighter, that will be higher or lower. So it looks like that, because that was the main question, if this device will be 24 volt, then it have a boost circuitry for charging the battery pack. And there is a quite interesting thing going on, so I'm going to show you all of that in a second. But that's actually looks like a step down converter, because they have a very clever idea. So we've got our step down converter with a charging controller, very nice. We've got a temp sensor probe. If there will be any problem with the battery overheating, it's going to disable the charging. I assume that will be for charging, maybe also for the discharge, who knows. We have to unprogram the MCU, and that's not going to happen, but we can of course always try with the lighter and try this. And yes, so this is the first part, and you can check how much voltage do you have by pressing a button. Let me just take a look where it is. That one, it gives you an indication by the percentage, and over here you can select, do you want to use a 24 volt system or a 12 volt. I've got them in reverse, so that was like 24 volt, but that's not important. Important is that we've got two packets, two individual battery pack, each of them is 12 volt, so that looks like a 3C, 3 cells stacked together, 3 cells stacked together, and they are going to that board. Each of this is a separated battery with own wires for the load balancing, for the charging balancing, and the magic is happen under that board, and I'm going to show you just in a second what's going on. Because right now if you measure voltage, it is equal for the both batteries to the 1 volt, and the magic is over there. This is the magic. This is seriously magic. So we've got like a very beefy relays. As you can see, each of them is rated 90 amps, one of this. So if you stack them together, you've got almost 400 amp. You will be able to switch almost 400 amp, and I'm pretty sure that this is programmed by the microcontroller just to be enabled for a very short time. So I'm pretty sure they calculate that, and they allow to overcurrent them for a short time, and that part looks like our charging balancing circuitry. And yes, so this is the magic. Right now the 2 separate batteries looks like they are connected together, and they are being charged together. They are being charged like 2 separate batteries in the 12 volt system. But if you go for a 24 volt, then these relays are going to do the job, and they are going to connect them in series, because this is the negative output, this is the positive output, and these relays, these contactrons, are going to create a series configuration of 24 volt. And if you disable that, it go back to a 12 volt system with 2 of these batteries connected together in parallel. So this is a quite interesting design. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting and you feed your brain with something new. See you next time, and bye bye.